Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Latrell. I go by iloveyoutrell here on YouTube, as well as all of my other social media platforms. And here on my channel, we love to talk about fashion, beauty, lifestyle with a few vlogs in between. But today, we're also going to get into a Sephora haul. Hey guys, so we are going to get into today's video. So if you're not new to my channel and you saw my video from last year where I told you guys that I'm not doing Sephora hauls just to do them anymore. Like, I'm not going to the store just to spend so I can give you guys a video. I'm truly only purchasing what I need when I need it. And then of course, every blue moon, I'll go ahead and splurge on some new makeup. So this was one of those times where I needed to replenish things, but I was also keeping my ears to the streets because the Sephora Save Sale is coming up. It actually should be happening, I believe, April 4th. So there's gonna be stuff that you do need to get for the sale because you're gonna get a what? A discount. But today's trip to Sephora was simply to replenish some things that I could not wait for. I could have, but I decided not to wait for it. And some other stuff that I got that's not necessarily from Sephora, but new makeup or new products that I got that I wanna share with you guys. The brand new one size B12 base thinner. So if you guys haven't seen the video already, I have a video where I am actually showing you guys me testing this out. I got this because I just was intrigued by the simple fact that there is now a product on the market that not only has skincare properties with it, but also claims to help thin out your foundations. And so if you know me, if you know my channel and the content that I create and my style of makeup that I like to do, I am more of a natural makeup wearer. I love enhancing my natural features. When I do other people's makeup, it's about enhancing their features rather than creating like a whole new person. Although we like to do that as well. But the really cool thing about this product is that you can actually mix this with any type of foundation that you have, whether it's a full coverage, medium coverage, or already sheared coverage. And this is going to just thin it out a little bit more and make it just more natural. So I did go ahead and grab this to give it a try. Like I said, make sure to check out that video. I did get a new refill on my brow pencil. This is the Sephora retractable brow pencil, and I specifically use the shade Midnight Brown. So I grabbed two of these because they had two, so I was like, those are for me. So during the sale, Sephora actually gives you 30% off of their own products. So if you're in the need for a new brow pencil or just want to give something else a try, definitely add this to your list. Like I said, I'm in the shade Midnight Brown, but they do have a nice range of colors because sometimes your brows be looking dark, but it's okay. It's all right. It's all right. Whatever you like, whatever you like. And to go with our brows and to set them into place, I finally got my hands on the Rare Beauty Brow Harmony Flexible Lifting Gel. Oh my gosh, that is a freaking tongue twister. But I went ahead and grabbed this brand new brow gel. I didn't really need this, but I just wanted to give something else a try because, you know, I always use my NYX. It has a little bit of a longer brush than the NYX brow glue. I feel like this does give you just a little bit more flexibility, but it also gives you a good amount of hold, but it's not like too stuck. I got a replacement of my Ami Collet Lash Amplifying Mascara, my favorite mascara, a great mascara. You should get this mascara, girl. It's good. It's really, really good. So lastly from Sephora, I grabbed these sheet masks. Where are these from? Dr. Jart? I grabbed one that is the clearing solutions. It's just like a really nice calming mask. This is a Hydra mask. This is actually a gel sheet mask. And I have dry skin. I need all the moisture I can get. So anything that is going to help deliver me that, I am all for it. I also stopped by MAC because it's next door, and I was at Sephora looking for an orange blush, couldn't find one. So I did go to MAC and I ended up getting a new blush. This is in the shade Burnt Pepper. This is not a new shade to me, but it's my first time actually buying it. I used to work right next to the MAC counter and I would literally go and put this on every single day. So finally purchased this because, again, like I said, could not find a nice orange. Still on the hunt. So if you know of one, please drop it down in the comments. But I also needed to re-up on my Fix Plus spray. MAC has changed the Fix Plus bottles. So it used to look like this. Now it looks like this. It's the same size as well, according to the labels, both 3.4 ounces. But I was really thrown off. I was like, hold on, man. I also grabbed the brand new lipstick that I'm wearing right now. This is a Warm Teddy, and this is Velvet Teddy's big sister, or maybe it's her little sister. But this is the brand new lipstick. This is the new packaging that it came in. So as you see, MAC is like actually on the silver little band there, not on the bottle. This one is more matte. And then this one, of course, is shiny. This is Velvet Teddy. This is the original. And then this one is Warm Teddy over here. It has MAC engraved on the actual lipstick, which is so freaking cute. It's funny because the original Velvet Teddy looks a little bit warmer than the new one. That is the original Velvet Teddy. I should have put some lotion on again. Did not. That's crazy. And then let's go in with Warm Teddy right next to it and see. So Warm Teddy is definitely a little bit darker. I'm very in love with this color, but that is what I got from my Sephora haul and my MAC haul. And because I did get some other new stuff in the mail, I also wanted to share that with you guys. So shout out to the people who are not new to my channel, and welcome to you if you are. But my skincare routine has been the same skincare routine for the past 2-ish years. 2 years? Yeah, I think it's almost about 2 years that I've been using the Sweet July skincare system. It is an amazing collection of products that have very natural ingredients added to them, and also is very delicate on the skin, but also works some wonders. So I recently restocked on some of my favorites. All of them are my favorites, honestly. I'm literally like obsessed with the entire skincare line. If I had to recommend for you to get anything, would be the Ivory Power Face Oil. This oil is amazing. This is like a very soft but hydrating oil. It's not actually going to contribute to the oils that your skin naturally creates, but it is going to give you a nice moisture barrier, because regardless of if your skin is dry or oily, you still need moisture. So this product is amazing. Like, I swear by this. This is probably my 4th or 5th bottle of this, you guys. I tell you, I love this. I love it. I also grabbed a refill of the Castaway Cream. The Castaway Cream is the moisturizer. This is a really, really nice lightweight daily moisturizer. These two together are like the perfect match. It gives you a beautiful glow. Like, it, y'all be seeing my skin. That's all I gotta say. But it has been a while since they've come out with a new product, and as soon as they came out with this, I had to get it, because I was ironically talking about how I need an eye cream or some kind of eye product, simply because I do put a lot of products around my eyes and I don't really give it any additional love outside of like just putting moisturizer on. So they just came out with their Coffee Fix Peptide Eye Serum, and like I said, I was literally looking for something at the time, and this magically came out. So I was super excited to give this a try and add this into my entire skincare routine. Like I said, I pretty much have the entire collection that Sweet July has released. It is an amazing group of products. You can absolutely, you know, mix and match, take pieces that you need to add to your skincare routine or not. But I definitely think that it is a very nice luxe skincare brand that gives you some really great results. I have a skin condition, and when I tell you guys, the winter time is like the time I fear the most, because my skin gets the worst then. I have been glowing. I've been glowing all winter, all summer, all spring. Like, ever since I started using this, I kid you not, my skin has been just loving every single part of it. But that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the things that I got from Sephora and MAC and Sweet July. I know it's labeled Sephora, but we went a few other places. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you guys want to try out anything, or if you guys have tried any of these things or have any recommendations for me, please go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and make sure to subscribe to my channel, because I do post any day of the week and you don't want to miss it. So go ahead and hit that notification bell. That way you can get notified every time a video goes up. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok, and Limit 8, and my website, l.co.com. I will link those all down below so that way you can easily click and follow. And don't forget, we are going to be having another giveaway once we reach 900 subscribers. We're close. We're close, but share this with a friend so we can get even closer. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace.